How to make and create education Facebook cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for Facebook. Click on Facebook cover option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here, scroll down, click on education Facebook cover option, click on see all and choose any template. Here you have many education templates, for example this one. After you finish editing your template, go to the top and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.